We finished it yesterday. We finished it yesterday. We finished it yesterday. I like sweatpants. I like sweatpants. I like sweatpants. She said the test was hard. She said the test was hard. She said the test was hard. I studied a lot. I studied a lot. I studied a lot. I ate a good meal. I ate a good meal. I ate a good meal. Parker is coming today too. Parker is coming today too. Parker is coming today too. Cooking is fun. Cooking is fun. Cooking is fun. I walked to the store. I walked to the store. I walked to the store. Can you not do that? Can you not do that? Can you not do that? Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. We cannot agree. We cannot agree. We cannot agree. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. They like music. They like music. They like music. Can you pay attention? Can you pay attention? Can you pay attention? Can you focus? Can you focus? Can you focus? Can you concentrate? Can you concentrate? Can you concentrate? Sally drove a truck. Sally drove a truck. Sally drove a truck. Check under the sofa. Check under the sofa. Check under the sofa. Did you find it? Did you find it? Did you find it? Jane proved her wrong. Jane proved her wrong. Jane proved her wrong. Yes. 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 Why? 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 Remember what happened? Remember what happened? Remember what happened? And what are you doing? And what are you doing? And what are you doing? We need to help. We need to help. We need to help. Please leave. Please leave. Please leave. He loves flowers. He loves flowers. He loves flowers. We went on a trip. We went on a trip. We went on a trip. I meant that. I meant that. I meant that.